Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you saw from the beginning of this video, as the title also says, I'm making black soap, and this is how I go about it. If it is more than 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, okay, this is how I go about it. I pound it in the mortar like this, so it will make life easy for me, okay, than using my hand to mix it, okay. So this gives me a quick result, okay. And the way this thing is looking, it looks like a peanut. Anyway, so this is the outcome of it. I've already added all my ingredients. This contains shea butter, turmeric, cinnamon, camwood powder, glycerin, vitamin E, perfume, and lime juice. You will see it this way, but within a few days it will turn totally black, okay. So now I'm going to be putting it in this container, okay. It is well sanitized and very clean container. This is how I'm going to be filling it, okay. So and after I'll clean the edges so it will look very neat, okay. So so guys, this is it. I've cleaned all the edges and it's looking so presentable. So I'm going to weigh it and see. This is 300 ml. So guys, I'm done with the cleaning of the edges and this is how it's looking. So nice and presentable. So I'm going to measure. I'm going to weigh it because this is 300 ml container, okay. So I want to check if it's 300. So this is more than 300, and if I'm going to take part of this product out of it, it's going to be very small in it, so I'm just going to keep it like that, okay. So let me check this one, okay. This one is more than the first one I put on it, so definitely I'm going to take part of this black soap out of it, okay. All right. And this one is exactly the same as the first one I measured. All right, so that is it, guys. Let me just cover it. Okay, so here we are. Our black soap is ready to be sent out. I'm going to be placing stickers on it, okay. So thank you so much for watching. Please do what to like and share with friends and family. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.